Just 2 months ago, I promised myself na hindi ako magre-review ng mga skincare products from famous YouTubers or from famous people. I guess I broke that promise. These are products from Calm Skin. Calm Skin is owned by the famous YouTuber Miss Camille Trinidad, and today we're gonna talk about it. Disclaimer lang guys, this is a first impression video. This is not a review. 3 days ko palang ginagamit itong mga products na to, so I can say kung talaga bang effective sila. Guys, can I just say na ito yung pinaka-lightest at pinaka-fast absorbing lotion na nagamit ko. Look at that. If you observe, wala siyang instant whitening effect just like the other lotions. My skin feels so hydrated, and guys, ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. Sobrang bango to the point na hindi ka na kailangan mag-perfume kasi super bango niya. Hindi ako ganon kagaling mag-describe ng mga amoy, pero amoy very feminine, sweet girl. Ganun yung vibes. Before doing this video, 3 days ko na siyang tinatry every morning kasi meron naman siyang SPF 60, which is good. Yung UV filter na ginamit nila is titanium dioxide, which is a broad spectrum UV filter. Good yun. Pero balik na naman tayo sa amoy. Talagang, yung amoy niya talagang nakatattoo sa skin mo. Kahit tawisan ka, amoy sweet girl ka pa rin. It is a whitening lotion. It contains papaya extract, niacinamide, which is my favorite ingredient, and alpha-arbutin. Judging from the ingredients, I think if you use this long-term, makita mo yung effect. Next is the niacinamide soap. I love this. Wala yung mismong soap kasi nasa CR guys, kasi nga tinetest ko siya before ko i-film tong video na to. Di ko masasabi kung effective siya, pero it has an instant brightening, yung parang glowing yung skin mo. Ayan guys, oh. Yung parang hindi siya nagli-leave ng parang mga ashy, powdery na stuff. And it contains a lot of skincare actives. It has glutathione, kojic acid, tranexamic acid, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, and these ingredients guys talaga proven and tested na sila na nakaka-brighten ng skin. Dahil na medyo marami siyang skincare actives, mas ina-advise ko sa inyo na gamitin niyo siya sa body lang, not sa face, para hindi ma-irritate yung face mo. Sinend sa akin to ni Camille, but so far, I'm loving it. Super worth your money. And I will definitely repurchase the lotion. And to be honest, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng products niya. Love you guys.